So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jahidul Islam. Welcome to Crickline24.com. And you have got the news earlier. Bangladesh posted 213 on the board, and the target is 214. So far, West Indies have started pretty well, though they have lost a very early wicket. And still, they have hope because Shai Hope is alive, their main batter, and at the same time, some other batters like Sharfin Rutherford, Rostum Chase and Akil Hussain, they can bat in this type of tricky wicket. And the strategy here in Mirpur Sherbangla Stadium is you have to bat long as much as possible. The first target for the West Indians is to not to lose too many wickets within first 30 overs. After 30 overs, the scenario here in Mirpur Sherbangla Stadium will be different because, there will little bit dew factor will be on after 30, 40 overs later. So their first target is to bat till the 40 overs. If they don't lose not much wickets in the first 40 overs, then it will surely help West Indies because, Bangladesh in the first ODI they have won comprehensively, but today so far very calm situation because crowds they are not cheering more because they have only picked up 1 wicket and still 9 wickets in hand. So run rate is not an issue here in Mirpur Sherbangla Stadium. And it's a very difficult wicket, but towards the end, the way Mehdi and Miraz and especially Rishad Hussain batted on, that was absolutely wonderful and amazing performance put on by Rishad Hussain. So that is why West Indians, they can be hopeful because they have some power hitters like Sharfin Rutherford, Akil Hussain. They can hit the ball long way. So West Indians, their main target here